Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you're watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of March 2025 for all the Capricorn assignment. So first of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Capricorn assignment people, Sun controls your 8th house. And right now, Sun is starting from your second house in the sign of Aquarius, where second house Lord Saturn is already present. Sun will stay into your second house is 14th March 2025. After 14 March, Sun will move from the second house to third house is the sign of Pisces, where many planets are present right now into your third house. So till 14 March, Sun is expecting its own house from your second house. Likewise, Sun is expecting from second house to your 8th house, and 8th house is Sun own house. That's why we can expect your 8th house is right now in a good strong position. There are chances you may get some unexpected gains of money during this time. If your money is stuck somewhere, then we can expect you will get that money during this time with the presence of 8,000 or if your second thousand. Also, the second house is right down is from question. Also, we can expect some positive event into your home and home members related matter. You make out of some marriage of your family member or childbirth into your family member during this time period. Mercury controls your ninth house and your sixth house. And right now, Mercury is also present into your third house in the sign of Pisces. One thing is very important to mention here about Mercury being in the Pisces sign is that Mercury considered as debilitated in the sign of Pisces. And right now, Mercury is standing from your third house in the sign of Pisces, also about to turn into its retrograde motion around 15th March 2025. So, night out with your education, your higher education, your elders, teachers, mentor, guider, advisor, your long distance travel, your pilgrimages, rules and regulation, following the rules and regulation, etc., etc. Sixth house with your court case, litigation, argument, fights, the routine in context of word, loans, debt, you're against people who provide you service, all of these things are filtered by sixth house. So your 9006 South God will be in its retrograde motion, also in a debilitated sign. You may face some type of difficulties regarding your education and travel related matter because Ketu is also present in your ninth house. You need to be very careful regarding your father's teachers, mentors, your elders' help during this time. You may face center of disturbance regarding them. Also, you need to be very careful regarding your court case litigation related matter if you are facing some court case litigation into your life because sixth house is right now occupied by Mars and Mercury. Sixth house Lord is right now in its debilitation state, also in a retrograde motion. So there are chances you may face some type of humiliation and things will not be into your favor in the month of March if you're dealing with some court case litigation. Venus controls your 10th house and your 5th house, and Venus is also present your third house in the sign of Pisces. Pisces sign considered as exalted sign for Venus. Venus perform very well in the sign of Pisces. So your work related matter, like your 10th house and your children's love relationship related matter will be okay, will be going very good. If you are in early education or you're expecting children, then we can expect you will get good children during this time period. There will be a good child, but good there will be a birth of good child due to presence of Jupiter in your fifth house, right? If you're expecting baby, or if you already have children, then we can expect great progress into your children's life and at your workplace during this time period. Moon controls your seventh house, and right now Moon is also present to your third house in the sign of Pisces. The positions of plank you're watching on white should set according to 1st March 2025. Because moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in a single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit on monthly basis in your birth chart. So first of all, whenever moon in a transit moving from 6th, 8th, and 12th house, these days we can expect you may face some type of issues, problem, difficulties into your life because These house considered as naturally malefic how in astrology. Somehow issues, problem, and difficulties are always associated from that house. Second important thing is just moon transit is that whenever moon is starting from any naturally malefic planet in transit, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. So during these days, also we can expect we may face some type of issues, problem, and difficulty. And these issues, problem, difficulty either could be a mentally or physically. So that's the easiest way to judge moon transit in everyone's birth chart. Mars third ruled your fourth house and your 11th house. And right now, Mars is split into your sixth house in the sign of Gemini. Fourth house will be to comfort your mother's relationship, your property, vehicles, your acquired land, all the land you have in your life, like your property, your comfort, all the conveniences you have in your life, your emotions, your homeland, your birth phase, all of these things are predicted by fourth house. 11th house will be your gains, incoming gains, your friend circle, professional circle, your recognition, your achievement, hopes and wishes, and fulfillment of the wishes. All of these things are represented by 11th house. So your 11th house and fourth house lord is right now preparing for your sixth house in the sign of Gemini. So you may face some type of confrontation argument from your friend circle and professional circle because Lord of sixth house will be in Egyptian state Mercury and 11th fourth house lord present in the sign of Mercury in the house of conflicts right now. That's why I'm saying you need to be very careful regarding a home related matter. Avoid confrontation and especially verbal argument with your parent circle and your home member. Who we can expect these results to all the Capricorn ascendant people. Our today's video monthly prediction of March of 2025 for all the Capricorn ascendant and share. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.